Dear students, I heartily welcome to all in the online session. Students, as you know that nowadays we are trying to accelerate our first chapter from the snapshots book, and you know its name is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, right? The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, and this short story is being written by William Saroyan. Students, there is need to pay your focus here so that you can make your story chapter unit very easy. In this way you can utilize your data, right? You know the name of the story is The Summer of the Beautiful White Horse, right? And this is written by William Saroyan, right? Up to now we have discussed some paragraphs including theme, characters, message, so many things, right? In order to make it continue, come on the page number 3. Page number 3, NCERT book, page number 3, from the last point of the page. Okay, let's begin. We rode and my cousin Murad sang. For all anybody knew, we were still in the old country there, at least according to some of our neighbors we belonged. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. It means they still running, they still riding. And Murad started to sing loudly. Once again, they means Aram and Murad still running, and Murad was still singing loudly, and they were still in the countryside. They were still in the particular spot, particular areas where according to their neighbors they belonged to. It means according they were used to live, they were used to survive their life, they were trying to lead their life at the particular area, and this place was being considered by their neighborhood. We let the horse run as long as it felt like running. It means they make the horse free, and the horse ran as fast as it can. इतना तेज घोड़ा दौड़ा जितना तेज वह दौड़ सकता था. It means the horse applied all its strength, all its power. Next line. At last my cousin Murad said, "Get down, I want to ride alone." After completing the first episode of the horse riding, after completing the first scenario of the horse riding, Murad asked Aram to get down, and he desired, he insisted to ride alone, to ride solitary. Once again, Murad asked Aram to get down, and he also desired to ride alone, to ride solitary. मुराद ने अरम से कहा कि अब आप नीचे उतरो, हम अकेले घुड़सवारी करेंगे. Will you let me ride alone? I asked. After listening Murad, Aram put a question there. Aram asked a little question that, will you let me ride alone? It means, would you permit me to ride alone? Suppose I leave the horse for you, then would you like to make me ride alone? Aram put there a question for completing his desire. That is up to the horse, my cousin said, get down. It means it depends upon the horse. Will he manage with you or not? It absolutely depends upon the horse. Firstly, get down, come down. The horse will let me ride, I said. It means Aram tried to convince him that the horse would let him ride alone. Aram put his logic there, put his point there. There is no need to be worried how to handle. It means I will be able to handle the horse. Definitely horse would allow to me for riding. Next, we shall see, he said, don't forget that I have a way with the horse. We shall see. It means leave it for another time. We shall see. Well, don't forget that I have a way with the horse. It means you must keep in your mind. Murad put there a point. You must keep in your mind that I have idea how to handle with the horse. I have a skill. I have a talent to how to handle with the horse. हार्स को कैसे हैंडल करना है, उसके साथ घुड़सवारी कैसे करनी है, ये सब तौर तरीके मुझे स्पष्ट है, मुझे मालूम है, मैं इसमें सक्षम हूँ। इस बात को मुराद ने आरम को बताया। वेल, आई सेड, एनीवे यू हैव विद अ हॉर्स, आई हैव ऑल्सो। वेल, नो मैटर, नो प्रॉब्लम। I admit that you have a way, you have an idea, you have a skill to handle a horse. And listen, I have also idea, I have also skill, I have also talent to handle a horse. It means I am skilled to ride on the horse. For the sake of your safety, he said, let us hope so. For the sake of your safety, it means for the safety of Aram, he said so. And he also put their logic, I hope so. It means Murad hoped same for Aram. Get down, and also said get down. It means do fast. Alright, I said, but remember you have got to let me try to ride alone. Okay? Aram admitted, confessed, and get down from the horse and said, don't forget. It means you must keep in your mind, after completing your riding, definitely I will ride alone. I will ride solitary. I will ride there single. I hope all of you understood all these statements. Okay. Next, I got down and my cousin Murad kicked his heels into the horse and shouted, Wazire. I got down. It means Aram got down from the horse and his cousin named Murad hit his heels into the horse and shouted and roared, spoke loudly a specific word, Wazire, run. The horse stood on its hind legs, snorted, and burst into a fury of speed that was the loveliest thing I had ever seen. After listening to Murad, after listening to Murad, the horse became very active. It became full of strength, full of power as well as energy. And the horse stood on its hind legs, back legs, back feet, snorted. It means gathered a lot of breath and make a sound and burst into a fury. Suddenly, it took a little step for running, for the race of speed that was the loveliest, and it was very lovely scenario. It was very attractive scene that Aram had ever seen in his life. बहुत ही सुंदर दृश्य आरम को नजर आया. My cousin Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass to an irrigation ditch, crossed the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later returned, dripping wet. Murad raced the horse across a field of dry grass. It means Murad ride alone and he crossed dried grass area, and he also passed an irrigation ditch, a particular place where the water was being collected for the purpose of irrigation. सिंचाई के लिए जो तालाब था, उस तालाब को भी घोड़ा क्रॉस करता हुआ आगे बढ़ता चला गया. Cross the ditch on the horse, and 5 minutes later returned, dripping wet. After 5 minutes, he came back, and he was absolutely in sweat. He was absolutely in sweat. वह पसीने से तरबतर हो गया था. मुराद 5 मिनट तक घोड़े को दौड़ाया. उसने इरिगेशन डिच को क्रॉस किया, ड्राई ग्रास के फील्ड को क्रॉस किया, और वापस 5 मिनट के अंदर आ गया और पसीने से बिल्कुल तरबतर था. The sun was coming up. It means the sun was almost up. We can say the light of the sun was about to sprout. It was getting morning. Now it's my turn to ride, I said. My cousin Murad got off the horse. Right, he said. Then I explained there. I put my chance there and said, it's my turn to ride. It is the turn, it is the chance, it is the opportunity of Aram. My cousin Murad got off the horse. It means Murad got up from the horse, and he also permitted me to ride alone. Okay? Now, next paragraph. I leaped to the back of the horse and for a moment knew the most awful fear imaginable. The horse did not move. When Aram ride on the horse, when Aram took a seat on the horse by jumping, उछल करके जब घोड़े के बैक पर, पीठ पर Aram बैठा, and for a moment and a short period of time, for a little period of time, he felt fear. He was in terror that what will happen, how the horse will treat with me, घोड़ा मेरे साथ व्यवहार कैसा करेगा. इन सब सारी बातों को लेकर के वह भयावह था. It means he was fear in his imagination. The horse did not move The horse did not act. The horse was still silent there. Kick into the muscles, my cousin Murad said. It means Murad told Aram to kick into the muscles of horse so that the horse will run. Otherwise, it will still silent. नहीं तो घोड़ा क्या रहेगा, बिल्कुल शांत रहेगा. उसकी मसल्स में हिल से क्या करो, ठोकर मारो, किक करो. Then what are you waiting for? What are you thinking? What are you waiting for? Why are you sitting only? Do act, do something, and the activity is to hit in the muscles of horse. We have got to take him back before everybody in the world is up and about. It means they need to return, they need to take the horse return before everybody woke up. मुराद ने कहा जल्दी करो, घोड़े के मसल्स में किक करो जिससे घोड़ा दौड़ना शुरू करे और थोड़ा शीघ्रता करो, क्योंकि यह घोड़ा हमें सुबह लोगों के जगने से पूर्व वापस करना है. इट मीन्स दे हैड टू रिटर्न इट बिफोर एवरीबडी वोक अप. लोगों के जगने के पूर्व इस घोड़े को क्या कर देना है, वापस कर देना है. सो दैट मेक हरी. I kicked into the muscles of the horse. It means Aram did as he was being instructed, as he was being conveyed by his cousin Murad. Once again it reared and snorted. It means once it moved a little, it gathered a breath and make a sound from the nose. Then it began to run, and it began to run. The horse began to race. I didn't know what to do. It means Aram was unable to do anything. He was not skilled to handle the horse. He had no any idea to handle the horse. But he was insisted, desired, wished to ride alone. Instead of running across the field to the irrigation ditch, the horse ran down to the road to the vineyard of Dikran Halbian, where it began to leap over vines. It means the horse ran, instead of running across the field of irrigation ditch, it ran towards another side. It means to the vineyard of Dikran Halbian, and where it began to leap over the vines. And where he leaped over the vines, the horse leaped over the 7 vines before I fell. It means the horse crossed 7 vines. It means we can say orchard. The particular field are areas where the vines are grown up, where the cropping of vines are going on. A particular areas where the cropping of vines going on. At that place he fell down. उसी स्थान पर अरम क्या हो गया, घोड़े से गिर गया. एंड द हॉर्स वॉज कंटिन्यू, और घोड़ा क्या था, कंटिन्यू था, लगातार आगे बढ़ता चला गया. देन इट कंटिन्यूड रनिंग. द हॉर्स वॉज इन हिज रेस, इन हिज position. The horse did not stop there. We can say Aram could not handle the horse accurately. My cousin Murad came running down the road. I am not worried about you, he shouted. We have got to get that horse. You go this way. You go this way and I will go this way. If you come upon him, be kindly, I will be near. After happening such incident, Murad came there and said, I am not worried about you. It means he was not worried about Aram. We have got to get that horse. You go this way and I will go this way. It means they make a plan how they can find horse, because the horse ran away after leaving Aram. If you come upon him, be kindly, I will be near. If you come first, you have to stay here, I will be near. It means they will meet at a particular place. They have decided a spot. I continued down the road and my cousin Murad went across the field toward the irrigation ditch. It means Aram was on the way to the down road and Murad went across the field towards the irrigation ditch. It means the Murad went in another direction and the direction was about to irrigation ditch and the spot was about the irrigation ditch. It took him half an hour to find the horse and bring him back. It took half an hour to find out the horse. All right, he said, jump on. The whole world is awake now. What will we do? I said. It means, well, what is our plan? What we have to do? Because everybody is about to woke up. अब सभी लोग जगने वाले हैं. It means the sun is almost up. The light of the sun is about to sprout. So what we should do now? Well, he said, we will either take him back or hide him until tomorrow morning. It means then Murad told Aram options, put their options to take him back at the safe place. And he also told there that he knew a place, a spot which is very safe for the horse. He didn't sound worried and I knew he had hide him and not take him back. Not for a while at any rate. It means Murad told him that there is no need to be worried. I have a place where we can put this horse. Where will we hide him? I said. Aram asked a question. Where will we hide him? Where we can hide it? I know a place, he said. And he got an answer. How long ago did you steal this horse? After listening such answer, Aram asked a question, how long ago did you steal this horse? I said. Aram asked a question to Murad that from how many days did you steal this? तुम इस घोड़े को कितने दिनों से चोरी किए हुए थे? It suddenly dawned on me that he had been taking these early morning rides for some time and had come for me this morning only because he knew how much I longed to ride. It was being appeared there to Aram that Murad had stolen this horse for many days and he came here only this morning for me because I was insisted, I was desired as well as wished to ride on the horse, so that he came here with a horse. Who said anything about stealing a horse? He said. Murad said. Murad told Aram that who said you about stealing the horse? Who conveyed you about stealing the horse? आपसे घोड़ा चोरी करने की बात किसने कही? यह बात मुराद ने पूछा अरम से. Anyhow, I said, how long ago did you being riding every morning? Well, leave it, but tell me, from how many days you are riding every morning? Not until this morning, he said. Are you telling the truth? I said. It means Murad responded him, I am not riding on the horse only from this morning. It means I am riding on the horse for many days. After listening this, Aram asked a question more. Are you telling the truth? It means are you correct? Are you right? Of course not. Definitely I am not correct. Doubtlessly I am not speaking the truth. He said, but if we are found out, that's what you were to say. It means Murad said, if anyone asked Aram, he should say that it was true. Suppose we have been caught and the question shall be asked there, then you have to respond in such way. I don't want both of us to be liars. It means Aram don't want to make them liar. Aram नहीं चाहता था कि वो दोनों क्या हो जाएं, झूठे हों. All you know is that we started riding this morning. Each and everything you know better that we have started riding this morning. All right, I said. I admitted. After listening my cousin Murad, I admitted that it's okay. I know and I will convey to anyone. If anyone will ask to me that from where did you get this horse, from how many days you are riding, if the question shall be asked in such mode, I will respond there that we are riding on the horse from this morning. Okay, I hope all of you understood all these paragraph very well. Okay, now come to the next paragraph. He walked the horse quietly to the barn. Barn means B-A-R-N, barn. A large space, large room where crops or animals are kept. And such type of room, spacious room, large room are situated in wide area and deserted area. Deserted vineyard which at one one time had been the pride of farmer named Fedvision. There were some oats and dry alfalfa in the barn. We began walking home. He walked the horse quietly. It means Murad walked with the horse silently towards the barn area, and it was situated in the deserted where was orchard. Orchard means the garden of fruits, which at one time had been the pride of a farmer named Fedvision. It means it was belonged, the orchard was being belonged to the renowned popular farmer named Fedvision. There were some oats and dry alfalfa. There were crops of alfalfa, oats, wheat, so many things in the barn. In the deserted area, in the spacious room, we began walking home. They started to make journey towards home. Okay, I hope all of you have enjoyed a lot this class and gathered a lot of knowledge from this story. Thank you. Have a nice day.